Difference between a battery and a capacitor. The main difference between a battery and a capacitor is that the battery provides the necessary electrical energy by converting chemical energy into electrical energy. Meanwhile, the capacitor stores electrical energy by accumulating electrical charges on its two plates through an electrostatic field. Join us to talk about the difference between battery and capacitor in simple language. Definition. The battery stores potential energy in the form of chemical energy and converts it into electrical energy when necessary.
But the capacitor stores potential energy in the form of an electrostatic field. Accumulation of electric charges on plates.
Construction. Battery, including three main parts of cathode, negative terminal, anode, positive terminal, and electrolyte material. Capacitor, in the simplest case, two parallel plates with air or dielectric material between them. Working principle.
A battery produces ions and electrons during chemical reactions known as reduction or oxidation and generates current by releasing electrons.
Types.
Different types of batteries including lead acid, alkaline cells, lithium, nickel cadmium, silver oxide cells, zinc air cells, carbon zinc cells, lithium ion, nickel metal hybrid, etc.
Capacitors are made in various types, including ceramic, electrolytic, supercapacitor, tantalum, electrochemical, ceramic, film capacitor, etc. Advantages.
Battery life in optimal conditions of use, it is more than 500 hours and has high energy storage. Constant voltage and battery leakage current is better and more stable than capacitor. Battery applications in power electronics, daily programs, energy storage and its use in portable devices are widely used in cars to provide starting power. It is also used in electric and hybrid cars.
The useful life of the capacitor is between 1 million and 3 million hours and it has a long life. Other advantages include, the polarity of the capacitor terminals remains constant during charging and discharging. Short charging time, high leakage current, high amp, wide working temperature. The use of capacitors to smooth the output of alternating current sources, use in frequency pass filters, use in oscillators, etc. To support me, subscribe to my channel. Like my videos. Press the bell button for notifications. Subscribe to my channel for new videos. Share my videos. Write me a comment. Thank you.